LPG or liquefied petroleum gas has been used as a reliable energy source for over a century. Its journey began in the early 1900s, revolutionizing heating and cooking for households and industries alike. Originally stored in temple, manually filled cylinders, LPG technology has evolved considerably. By the mid-20th century, advancements in manufacturing and safety led to the widespread use of standardized LPG cylinders, making LPG an affordable, portable, and clean energy option across the globe. Today, LPG cylinders are designed with cutting-edge technology to ensure maximum safety, efficiency, and durability, meeting stringent quality standards for diverse applications worldwide. Welcome to Intech Forge India Private Limited, where precision meets excellence. We are a proud manufacturer of LPG cylinders and forged items, including auto parts, flanges, pipe fittings, hammer unions, ring joint gaskets, and electric transmission products. Our global reach extends beyond manufacturing. We are also wholesale traders and exporters of steel and coal, with valued clients and vendors worldwide. Driven by a dedicated team of skilled engineers, technicians, and workers, Intech Forge India Private Limited leads the way in quality and innovation. Our success is built on cutting-edge technology and a commitment to excellence that positions us a leader in the industry. Our journey begins with the finest raw materials, meticulously processed to ensure perfection at every step of production. Our production process starts with decoiling of HR coils, which are then cut into precise circles, forming the foundation of each component. Our advanced deep raw technology guarantees strength and shape. With precision tools and dedicated machineries, we cut the foot ring strip and form precise foot rings with proper roundness and slotting. We manufacture bung from prime steel for the required strength and quality. After attaching the bung and foot ring to the halves, assembly process takes place where top and bottom halves are attached together. Using a perfect mix of argon and CO2 gases, our MIG welding technology ensures seamless, circumferential welding for durability and safety. Our specialized annealing process enhances each cylinder's strength. Shot blasting ensures a scale-free surface, ready for painting or powder coating to prevent rust and extend durability. Hydrostatic testing of LPG cylinders, ensuring safety by checking for leaks, deformation, and pressure retention under high water pressure conditions. Every cylinder is zinc coated, primered, and painted or powder coated according to customer specifications. After rigorous testing, our products are dispatched worldwide, meeting the highest standards of safety and quality. Pneumatic testing of LPG cylinders involves using compressed airs and by submerging the cylinders in water and checking it for any leaks. With our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility and stringent quality control measures, each LPG cylinder produced by Intech Forge India Private Limited is made to exceed industry standards. Our certification includes ISO 9001-2015. The prestigious IATF certification affirms our commitment to global standards. Our products are certified by the Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) and the Petroleum and Explosive Safety Organization (PESO) in India, with approvals from major global organizations for export. Intech Forge India Private Limited is proudly memberships of Rajkot Chamber of Commerce, RCCI, Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, FICCI, PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Engineering Export Promotion Council, EEPC, Federation of Indian Export Association, FIEO, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, MSME, National Small Industries Corporation, NSIC, Confederation of Indian Industry, CII, Indian Chamber of Commerce, ICC. Under the visionary leadership of Chairman Mr. Premchand Agrawal and Managing Director Mr. Kunal Agrawal, Intech Forge India Private Limited continues to set benchmarks in innovation, precision and excellence. At Intech Forge India Private Limited, we combine cutting-edge technology, skilled craftsmanship and a commitment to excellence, forging the path forward in innovation and quality for the modern world. Purchasing LPG cylinders from Intech Forge India Private Limited offers unparalleled advantages. Strategically located in Rajkot, Gujarat, just 200 kilometers from Mundra Port, we are ideally positioned for efficient and timely exports. Mundra Port, one of the India's largest and most advanced ports, connects us to major global markets, ensuring reduced logistics costs and faster delivery times for our clients. Intech Forge India Private Limited operates in the state of Gujarat, a hub for industrial growth. Thanks to progressive government policies that promote manufacturing, trade and industry, Gujarat's investor-friendly climate and robust infrastructure mean that our customers benefit from reliable sourcing, optimized supply chains and exceptional product quality at competitive prices. With our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility and stringent quality control measures, each LPG cylinder produced by Intech Forge is made to exceed industry standards. Choosing Intech Forge India Private Limited means choosing a partner committed to customer satisfaction, timely delivery and top-notch support. Our experienced team is here to assist with customized solutions, making Intech Forge a trusted choice for clients across the globe. Intech Forge India Private Limited, where innovation meets reliability and location meets efficiency.